Do you own rental property in the Dallas area? Are you tired of bad communication with your current property? Frustrated with late rent payments? Or worse, no payment? I'd like to introduce you to JoGip Property Management. We specialize in giving our clients back their time, and more importantly, peace of mind. We provide monthly detail reports, lease enforcement inspections, 24-hour maintenance coordination, electronic rent collections, automated processes, access to your account online, while being easy on the wallet. Our system is simple. We thoroughly screen every tenant, provide written performance guarantee, and collect a full security deposit. We take great care of your property and your tenant. Try us risk-free by visiting jogipdfw.com or call us today, 972-293-5575. We make landlording easy.